now that we have this understanding about missing a variable, a number in front of a variable, it's always an understood number 1 there. So now you might encounter a problem that would have a number of answers or equations, and they'll ask you to simplify and see which ones are all the same. So I've got this. This was my original problem. Then we have another one, x plus 1.2x, and what does it equal? And then the final one, 1.2x. Okay, when I look up here, this cannot be simplified any further. So it is just equal to 120x. That means 120 times x. But this one, if you will remember, we have an understood number 1 right here. So I'm going to show that, and I've got my 1 plus my 0.2. So this is 1.0 plus 0.2 gets me to that 1.2x, which is what I did just up here. So that's the simplified answer to that problem. Then we go down here. Well, this is very similar to this, but I have a number 1 right here. So I need to show that, and then I can add my 1 to my 1.2, which gives me a 2.2x. That's what that simplifies to. And then finally, I have 1.2x because it can't be simplified, so that's all there is. So if they were to have given you these first 4 answer choices here and asked you to find the ones that were equivalent to each other, then the only 2 that you can see are equivalent are these 2. So this first problem, just the x plus the 0.2x does, in effect, equate to the simplified answer of this 1.2x.